In today's video, I would like to talk about 14 fall and winter skincare and body care products that good for your skin, that going to protect your skin barrier in dry season. So if you think like it's your thing, keep watching my video. So I'm not going to include cleansers because I use the same cleansers most of the time, and for me, in my opinion, it doesn't matter what kind of cleanser, for example, you use to remove your makeup or sunscreen, for example. But of course, lean more to those that are more hydrating and help your skin feel better in dry season. So I would like to jump directly to toners. One of my favorite toners for dry seasons are the ones that I'm from Rice. It's a milky toner. I even like to use it in spring, and for example sometime in summer I can even skip moisturizer. Another milky toner that I so in love that even in fall and winter I can just layer it, like maybe one extra layer or two extra layers, and then just apply very rich and nourishing moisturizer on top. It's Dr. Surico Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence. So this toner is a little bit on pricey side, so it's around $30. So all the stuff that I'm talking about I'm going to include in description box below, so if you are curious and how much it costs and everything, you can check the affiliate links that I'm going to provide. Next step in my skincare routine that I love to do in fall and winter is to apply some rich and nourishing essences that gives me kind of like glass skin effect. So I tend to use Neogen Dermatology Sika Snail Essence. It's more like a thicker texture. I don't know why it's called essence, but it doesn't matter for me about the name. I love the texture of this essence, and it helps to hydrate my skin. It doesn't leave a sticky or oily residue on my skin. I actually discovered recently, so it's not like the all-time favorite product for me. Another skincare product that I adore so much, unfortunately I don't have it on hand anymore, but it's all-time favorite, Cosrx Propolis Light Ampule. So this ampule I even like to apply just alone. For example, if I feel like my skin is a little bit irritated and when I want to skip a few steps of my skincare routine. So it's super nourishing, like it's hydrating, and then if you apply on top of this ampule nourishing moisturizer, your skin is just going to look flawless. Also, don't forget in winter to use vitamin C products. I usually like to apply them in the morning before I apply my sunscreen. Sometimes I skip vitamin C. It's not sometimes necessary to apply it, sometimes I'm just lazy, but in general in winter when the sun is less active, it's a good time to fade those hyperpigmentation that was left from your acne or was maybe done by sun, like sun damage, as we know. So my favorite vitamin C product, that it's a little bit pricey, but I finished the bottle. I didn't even notice how I finished it. It's a Rand Skincare Glow and Protect Serum. So this serum is super nourishing, like you can apply it in the morning, no need toners, no need moisturizers, just go straight to the sunscreen and your skin is just going to look glowy. The reason maybe you wouldn't like it is the scent. It's a little bit like citrusy and gingery and plasticky a little bit, but over the time I get used to it, and sometimes I look at the skincare product, what properties it gives and how my skin feels like, that sometimes I don't even pay attention to scents, for example, or textures. And as I mentioned, that winter is a great time to work on the hyperpigmentation that develop on your skin over summer. Don't forget to use a retinol serum, and if you are new to retinol, or if you think like you are too young to wear retinol on your skin, try Bliss Youth Got This serum. It's basically it's like a serum. It's a little bit on thicker side and it's a yellow color. Retinol by Bliss Youth Got This is by itself is quite nourishing, but I still would suggest you to apply nourishing and rich moisturizer on top, and of course wear sunscreen protection while you're using retinol. I started to use this retinol serum almost every day, and I also finish it quite fast. The con of this product is that it's very small packaging, but on the other side, it's very affordable and widely available for sale. Category that I'm moving on is moisturizers, another product by Bliss. That amazing product, I'm currently using it right now, and I use it also in spring and summer. It's Bliss Mighty Biome Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer Concentrate. It comes in aluminum tube, and what I didn't like about the tube is that it's very easily like when you just press on it, it dispenses the products quite fast. But on another hand, it's super nourishing and very buttery texture, although it feels like it's going to leave like oily and very sticky residue on your skin. But in my case, I can even apply it just alone, just a little bit, because the moment you apply like really a lot, because you think that, you know, let's glaze the skin like in very thick layer of this moisturizer, it's going to peel. So you need just a little bit. So what is good about this product is that it's going to last you for a long time. On another side, period after opening, I think it's around 6 or 8 months or something like that. Another rich and occlusive moisturizer that I recommend for fall and winter is Dr. Jar Plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. I got it as a mini, but I love this so much, and this cream is actually should be applied even without any skincare products. And for example, in the morning when you're rushing and you don't have time, you just apply just a little bit, and then on top you apply your sunscreen. In the evening it's also like that. Maybe you can use just, for example, I'm from a rice toner, and on top Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream, and your skin is going to look soft and protected. Another moisturizer that I love so much is by Wishtrain Balance Cream. So this one contains propolis, basically honey, and also it contains, as far as I remember, probiotics. So it has a little bit runny texture, although it feels like it's more like a gel cream, but on another hand, it's very nourishing for combination skin, for dry skin. Maybe it's not that much, but what I heard is that oily skin types also loved it so much. And the scent, I would say it smells just like a product, like it doesn't have added scent to it, so it might be suitable for, you know, for majority of people. The moisturizer that I love so much is also duo moisturizer, which means it's beneficial for combination skin or for some parts of your face. So it's Sarah Hart My Type Duo Cream. So one part of the cream is gel cream, another part is ceramide cream. I actually love the ceramide cream more than the gel cream because gel cream is more lightweight, and basically the gel cream can be used, for example, in the morning, or you can apply gel cream on the areas that are more oily, and then those areas that are drier you apply ceramide cream. But ceramide cream, I wish that XSY created just ceramide cream without gel cream for those who have basically dry skin and who want to treat dry skin during winter. I also have one product that is amazing for your body. It's by Derma B Daily Moisture Body Lotion. You can get it on Amazon, but also it's available on Yestal, as far as I remember. No, sorry, Stalvana. And I finished it like in a blink of an eye. Like it was 400 milliliters of body moisturizer, and I use it like a couple of times per day, and it's finished maybe like in 2 months. So this moisturizer, first of all, it smells really nice. In the beginning you will think that it's like powdery scent, but it's very nice powdery and floral scent. And how my skin felt, it was just amazing. Like my skin was so smooth, not sticky at all, not oily at all. Like it's amazing moisturizer, and I think it's around like $15, something like that. Also in fall and winter, I would suggest do not skip sun protection, and I would recommend moisturizing chemical sunscreens. One is by Benton Airfit UV Defense Sun Cream, another one is Skin 1004. Waterfit Sun Serum. Those both sunscreen, I use them on a regular basis, and especially that they are so moisturizing, I feel like I don't need to apply anything before applying them. Of course, you can apply anything you like, but I wouldn't suggest using that method because they are already very nourishing and they would feel just more oily on your skin, but they are quite natural finish on my combination skin, and I would suggest those sunscreen to dry skin types as well. I reviewed Benton sunscreen on my channel before, so please check it out, the playlist of sunscreens. I forget about the masks. I'm actually not a fan of using wash off masks, especially like clay mask, because my skin is combination and it gets drier when I use clay mask. But I actually fell in love with one mask that I think it's very good for fall and winter, and especially for dry skin, and especially when your skin lacks that, you know, extra moisturization. And it's by I'm From Honey Mask. What is special about this mask that it's not just like any other wash off mask. Those who lack in moisturization and hydration in the skin, so you can apply this mask and wear it for as long as you want to, and then you just wash it off. I like to use, for example, like some sponge or some pads to remove completely the mask, because it creates a little bit like a film on your skin. I wouldn't suggest those to oily skin types or acne prone skin types, but for those who are like combination and dry like myself, it's very good option to boost your skincare that you're going to apply after this mask. So this is all of my recommendation for fall and winter skincare. You can find all of the products that I mentioned in the description box below, and also check the shelf on my shop, my shelf, and all the stuff that I mentioned in this video, they are together in one post, and you can check those all at once. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.